Alright, we're on our way for the driver test. She's going to take the test in the H2 because the vehicle she got has a cracked windshield. Can't take a test with that. So let's see if she passes. No selfies while you're driving. In today's video, I want to show you one of my favorite features of the Blackvue dash cameras. You can connect the dash cam to Wi-Fi and then remotely view your vehicle while it's driving and hear the interior of the vehicle. Heck, you could even talk to the people in the car if you wanted to. You can do so using an iPad or an Android device or Apple using Blackvue's app. So when my daughter went out for her test, I was able to watch the entire time and see how she was doing. So here you see the view out the front using the dash cam. There's a little bit of a sun glare. You can actually get some filters to put over the lenses. I've never tried those, but I do know that they can help with extra sun glare, especially when you're driving directly into the sun. Here's your view out the rear. I've got a spare tire sitting there, which kind of blocks a little bit of it, but it's a pretty good view and it serves its purpose. The Blackvue dash cams also have an option available to have an interior camera instead of a rear camera, and the difference there is it actually has a night vision setting, so you can clearly see the interior. You've probably seen some Uber drivers or Lyft drivers that have those. This Hummer is equipped with a Blackvue DR750s with front and rear facing cameras. Whenever you see the interior of the vehicle, that's going to be a GoPro that I have mounted showing the inside. The reason for that camera is because I don't want to be pulled over and not have proof that I was actually wearing my seatbelt or not using my phone or any other thing that somebody might make up as a reason to pull me over. After completing the routine equipment test, the instructor gets in the vehicle so they can start the test. I remain behind, but I'm watching on my phone.
Live view on.
Now, as I pull it up on the phone, I can see not only what the front and rear cameras are showing, but I can also hear the interior of the vehicle, and a map is displayed that shows exactly where the vehicle is, and on that map it'll show how fast the car is going. I've overlaid the video here. Later on, I will actually change the orientation so you can see it better as it fills up the screen. What you're seeing here was recorded off of my phone screen. That's exactly how it appeared on my phone, and I could hear everything that was going on inside the vehicle as well. I've put links to the Blackvue dash cams in my description. Please subscribe to the channel. I like to feature videos of things that happen on my dash cams, and when things aren't happening out on the streets, I do like to make videos featuring all of my vehicles. I drive Shelbys, classic Mustangs, Hummers, and I've got a real military Humvee.
Y'all on spring break, or fall break?
Yeah, fall break was this past week for me.
Oh. Y'all out today?
Parking mode off.
Columbus Day?
I go to a virtual high school,
Okay.
so I have school 3 hours twice a week.
Oh, sweet.
So I get to pick what days I go. So.
Really?
Yeah.
I love it. You get to pick them, make a right.
Yes, sir.
All right, go down a stop sign, make another right, okay?
And I have you start going 4 days a week into 3 hour sessions, and then you go down in days.
Oh, nice. I'd give it some gas because the guy's coming kind of fast behind you. Just do a regular lane change from the right to the left and go straight, okay? Perfect. So what are you, junior year?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Goes fast, don't it?
Yeah, I mean, it really doesn't. Everyone, they mean it when they say it's the hardest year.
All right, not this street coming up, but the next one we're going to turn left before the school, okay? Right at the end of this little brick house, you turn left. The street right here. There you go. Just take your time. that way?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
And the way my school works is I only need 22 credits to graduate instead of 26, like a standard school system.
Yeah.
So that helps.
What are you wanting to do? Have you decided?
I really want to be an archaeologist, but I'm thinking about like sound engineering or something because I mean. Okay, left or right here?
Let's go straight. Well, one thing good, you got a lot of time to make your mind up, kind of decide what you want to do too, and that's a plus. You may change your mind, you never know.
I've said that I want to be an archaeologist since I was 4.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have it written in like my journal from kindergarten.
No kidding.
It's like, what do you want to be when you grow up? And I like spelled it right and everything.
Wow.
That's like the funniest part to me.
Yeah, we'll make a right here. What got you into that? Was it from the TV or?
I guess so. I don't know. I've just always liked
Really?
history.
Because of history, yeah.
And just, I have like this love for knowing like why things happen or where things come from.
Mm-hmm.
So I've just always thought it was cool, like
Yeah.
discovering things. And
I like it.
I like traveling too. So.
Yeah, well, you won't be
Seems like-
bored either, I'll tell you. It'll keep you on your toes. It's interesting.
Okay, am I going
Right.
right?
Mm-hmm. Inch up. There you go. Clear road again. All right, Faith, go to the stoplight. Right before it has its own turning lane, you're going to make a right, okay?
Okay.
And that's the road we come out on. So we basically going to take that straight back. Lane change, a couple little turns, and you got it whooped. You're doing real good.
I actually didn't even mean to schedule my appointment at this location. I called
Uh-huh.
and it stopped talking. Over
Really?
the phone, it was like, are you okay to take your appointment on Monday, October 14th at 9:30 a.m. at,
Wow.
is this the right location?
Ain't that great? Kind of time-wise worked out good for you, really. All right, you can go right on red. There's no one in the crosswalks. The light's green anyway, so you got it made. All right, very good. And once you get going, same thing. There you go. Now just stay in this lane all the way back. We get to the very top of the hill up there. I'll tell you when you need to move over and stuff. But your basics down very good. Been doing a lot of driving.
I do. My grandma, she had shoulder surgery. She can't drive.
Yeah.
So I drive her to her doctor's appointments in Nashville. And I have friends whose parents won't let them go, but I'm like, I drove to Nashville like 3 times a week.
Yeah. Well, it's a good experience, and you're doing real good with it.
This vehicle is much bigger than the normal vehicles I have to drive. Normally I drive like a minivan,
Mm-hmm.
or I got a Jeep for my birthday.
Oh, nice.
05 Grand Cherokee.
There you go.
It's a V8 though, so it like eats gas.
Yeah.
But it's
Take
nice.
your middle lane when it's clear. When you go up here, you'll make your second left. Other side of that car. That street there.
Okay.
Stay all the way left. Go wide on the turn. All right, first driveway up toward the building. Then we're going to go back and park on the side, okay? Very good. All right, now when you make this right-hand turn, stay as far to the left as you can.
Okay.
This way you can loop it in because it'll be a little tight. You probably get the first spot, I think.
Like-
Yeah, I would stay way out here. That way you go like this.
Okay.
It should be easier for you.
The handicap?
Or in the middle. No, you got this first spot or the
okay,
middle.
so-
Whatever you want.
I'm
It's
gonna
just
do
whatever
this
you got enough room. Because it is big, so I'll give you over a little bit's fine. Alright. Perfect. That's
one. I
good.
think I'm over a little
Don't
bit,
worry about
so-
it. You're alright. Well, with him there anyway, being they haven't drove, I don't want them too close to you, okay?
Okay.
Now, your overall's really good. You passed with no problems. You did a great
Direct
job,
Wi-Fi
okay?
connection
Congratulations.
already in use.
I think they got it.